What I liked most about working with the Mayer-Harman team was the patience and the diligence. The attention to detail was very important for me. To have things clearly explained and clearly done.
I bought 2 homes from the Mayer-Harman team. They weren't pushy, they didn't try to convince me to buy something I didn't want to buy, so that was a great experience.
They're always working towards the goal that you have set in place. They're easy to work with, easy to talk with, always accessible, and very knowledgeable.
They gave us confidence in ourselves. I mean, I've worked with other realtors before and I've never been so comfortable.
We had 6 agents come in, and so we did like a little interview process, and Brad stood out as the person we were speaking with, and top to bottom it was just like pure production of marketing value and showing the value of the property. So that we really enjoyed.
They were able to go above and beyond by taking my calls at random times of the day, on the weekends, while they're with their families during the holidays.
They were available at any time, weekends, evenings, and they were there for us whenever we needed them.
They want to be there for you. They treat you as individual and not just as a comedy for them to get money.
The Mayer-Harman team to me really stands out. They have a service offering that's different than anybody else. They got that thick skin that I think you need. They got, the good judgment.
I would say I had 2 great experiences so far, and hopefully when I buy my 3rd property, it'll be with the same guys.
It's key that you have confidence in the people that you're working with, and I always did.
We made the right move at the right time with the right team.